Welcome to Artivo. I am Devinder. In this video, we will discuss trigonometry. See here, exercise 11.3, question number 5. If A, comma B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equal cot of C by 2. Once again, read the question. A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle. We need to show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equal cot of C by 2. First of all, I am writing C here. Given A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. So that once can I write here C, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees or not? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because sum of angles in a triangle, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Yes or no? This is the angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle means sum of the interior angles in the triangle is equal to 180. See here, once you can observe here, tan of A plus B by 2 is equal cot C by 2. We need to prove it. So that once you can transpose C to RHS. That means can I write here A plus B is equal to 180 degrees minus C. See, in the denominator you have 2. Yes or no? A plus B by 2. That means you have denominator in as 2. So that just you can do here on dividing the above equation by 2 on both sides. We get, see here, A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 degrees minus C by 2. That means can I write here C implies A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. You can write here 180 degrees by 2 minus C by 2. Can I write or not? See here, implies, can I see here, A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 means 2 1 ja 2 9 ja 18. That means can I write here 90 degrees or not? Yes. 90 degrees minus C by 2. Here 90 degrees minus C by 2. See here, in the question they are asking which ratio, sine, cos, tan. Once you can see here tan. On the left hand side you have which ratio? Tan only. So that, see here, on taking tan ratio on both sides. That means you can write there, see, implies tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to tan of 90 degrees minus C by 2. See here, you know that tan of 90 minus theta, it will be equal to cot theta or not? Yes. So that can I write here cot C by 2. That means here you can write there here tan of A plus B by 2. Which formula we are using? You can write here since here tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Listen, using this formula only we have written tan of 90 minus C by 2 equal to cot of C by 2. Once you can see here in that question, tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot of C by 2. We have proved or not? Yes. So that you can write it as proved. This is your solution. See here, question number 6. Express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. See here, sine 75. How can you represent sine 75? See here, sine 75 degrees is equal. See here, just you can subtract here sine 90 minus here 75. How can you represent here? 10 minus 5 is 5 only here. 8 minus 7, 1 only. That means 1, 5. That means you can see here sine of 75 degrees can be represented as 90 minus 15. Yes or no? See here, 75 is equal to 90 minus 15 or not? Yes or no? If you see here, 90 minus 75 means 15. 90 minus 15 means you will get 75. So that's here, sine of 90 degrees minus 15 means, you know that property, sine of 90 degrees minus theta is equal, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos theta means you can write here cos of theta value is how much? 15. You can write here cos 15 only. Sin 75 value is equal to how much? Cos 15. Is it lies between 0 and 45 or not? Yes. In the similar way, you can find here cos 65 degrees. Here cos 65 degrees. 65, that means you can write here cos of 90 degrees minus, by which number we should be subtracts here? Cos here, rough work only, this is 90 minus 65. See here 10 minus 5 is 5 only. Here 8 minus 6, how much here? 2, 5, that means 25 degrees. See here 25 degrees. That means you know that see 65 can be represented as 90 minus 25. Yes or no? 90 minus 25 is equal to 65 or not? Yes. So that I represented as 90 minus 25 degrees. But you know that complementary angles of trigonometric ratios, cos of 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta only. Yes or no? Using this formula, see theta value is equal to how much? 25 degrees. That means can I write here see sine of 25 degrees? Yes or no? Yes. Is 25 degrees lies between 0 and 40 or not? Yes. So that once you can write your combined results sine 75. You can write here therefore sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees is equal, sine 75 value is how much? Cos 15. Cos 15 degrees plus cos 65 value is how much? Sine 25 degrees. Sine 25 degrees. This is your solution. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 10th maths playlist videos.